Hello everyone. So we have released our 5 models to track the big institutional positions in real time on the HFT Algo Scanner with fund flow. And so the main point is that like what are the models and how one can take the advantage of it. So the thing is that we have these 5 models, as you can see, the high frequency algorithms and the big hedge funds. So like this first model, whatever you see, like whenever I came live, or all the members who are using the basic, like the HFT Algo Scanner, so this model is there. Okay, so currently this model is already like everyone is using, and it's present, like it works on free trading view basic accounts and all other types of accounts as well. But the other 4 that we are going to release mainly works on the premium accounts, or like more premium or higher, like pro or pro plus. So it might not work on essential and the next plan, and also not on the basic account. Okay, so now those who don't have the premium membership or something, so there is no need to be sad, because already you have like the high frequency algorithm and the big hedge funds model incorporated in your model. So you don't have to worry about anything else, and you can follow simply that, and like as you are already doing, and with a high accuracy it can predict the reversals, as you have seen. And yes, now let's come to the models one by one, and let's see the outputs, and let's discuss how one can take the benefit of it. So the very first thing is that if you are using the other model, so you already have the premium accounts or higher accounts, so where you can like open many indicators. So what I also do is open the HFT Algo Scanner several times and use different strikes or different modes in like models in them. So the main thing is that I can open the same like HFT algorithm, HFT Algo Scanner, and give the same ATM, but use to different models. Which two? So obviously we will be using the basic one that we are already using. It's not a basic, it's the best one. Okay, so we will be using that, and then like in another one we will be using the high frequency one. Okay, so the second model, which is only the high frequency algorithms, will only concentrate on the high frequency ones. Okay, so for example, let me show you, like today, like as you saw, I was live and showed you the past performance of the HFT algo scanner today, and like saw that there was put writing done in the morning and market went up. So but you don't see that happening in the HFT like high frequency algorithm model. Okay, so the reason was that like these were the big hedge funds, not the high frequency ones. Okay, the high frequency ones got involved here as well, with the big hedge funds as well. And so the and they took it up. Okay, and finally like the reversal like came after this, and the major reversal started after this. Okay, so that is how you can like combine these two and take the advantage of this. Like here both call writing happened, we only follow the light red and the light green. Okay, so the light red again in both of them happened here, and it came down. So that is how one can take the advantage of this thing. And again here, if you see, there was no HFT like high frequency algorithms activity, but the hedge funds activity were there. So it was a big call writing, and we were live right at that moment, and we saw this fall happening. Okay, and while the fall was happening here, more call writing happened and further fall came in, and at the end some put riders were there. But yes, so that's how you can like one can take the advantage of this. Like here also put writing happened. Okay, and then again here also, like in the basic model, or the top model, as you can say, so there also like we were live and saw the put writing happening, and then it pumped up. Okay, so that's how you can combine these two models and get a high accuracy, like further higher accuracy. Okay, so that's the thing. If you don't want to use, you just want to use the top model, which is including both HFT high frequency algorithms and big hedge funds, so yes, you are almost welcome to use that. And so again, so it's like working very beautifully, as you can see. And so now let's talk about the other let's say the other model. So let's put here very high frequency. Okay, So again, this model, be very careful. You have to be like very cautious while using this because they are very high frequency. Okay, so you have to zoom in to get their like viewpoints, and mostly if you look at this region, deep red and light green mostly. So light green we follow, and here the put writing happened. Okay, so these are very high frequency, and here as well, like as you saw right here, they did put writing, and it went up, and these are all deep reds mostly, and this is one of the like light red, as you can see. Okay, so and then slightly reversed, and again here as well the light red. So these are very high frequency, like within that short span also they can take a good capture some move and get out. Okay, and here as well, like again you see mostly light red and it came down. So this is how you have to identify, like you have to zoom in to identify, like even here as well. Okay, and so slight move they can exit, remember that. Okay, so you have to be cautious while using those, and here as well. So and the beauty was here as well, like I mean right at the top. Okay, so they shorted right at the top and it came down. So before the even the high frequency and the hedge fund short, the before the hedge fund shorted, they these very high frequency shorted. Okay, and the next candle was itself red. So you got my point, I hope. And again, similarly for the next model as well, the super high. So the super high is also like a similar kind, like you have to notice the light red and the light green. Like here light red was mostly present, here like if you see light green was present. Okay, right here. So you have to look at the big activities out of them, and here as well some light green, and so on and so forth, like also like look at this one. So light red mostly, and I mean it showed resistance. Morning light green mostly, and then like it went up. So that is the thing. And now last but not the least, so our quantum flash algorithm. So the quantum flash algorithm is very like unique. So the thing is that it's like a quantum flash. Why the name is because it just comes in a flash and just goes out of the thin air. So the thing is that it's very hard to catch them, but like you can catch them sometimes, and sometimes means like this. That is, you see, like let me zoom in. So call writing happened mostly here, and then after that you saw this fall coming in, and again here as well, like put writing happened mostly, and then it went up. Okay, so the thing is that like here two reversals came in. Okay, throughout the day. So that's why like we are only able to catch them like sometimes with our model. And here as you saw, like yesterday if you see here call writing happened and it fell. While falling they started like all doing all this put writing and took it up. So that is the specialty of this like quantum flash algorithm. Like even right here, right at the bottom, if you see, they did put writing and took it up. Like so you get to see like wherever they are present. So like here, even if you see, like we don't follow the deep green, so light red happened here just right at the start and it fell. Okay, so that is the quantum flash algorithm. And that covers up the whole scenario of the big institutional position. So you have to know how they trade and what are the models they are using, or how frequently they are trading, with what frequency, and what is the idea behind their models. So those kind of things you have to study to get hold of these models. And again, I hope you will be enjoying these models. And again, I'm saying that those who don't have access to premium membership on TradingView, so don't be sad. Mostly we have been using the top model, that is like the first model here, high frequency algorithms and the big hedge funds, and we will be using that as our primary model, and along with it we will pair it with the second model. And if you want to pair it with the other three, any of the other three, so it's up to you. I have shown you what each can do, and so the rest is up to you. Because as uh, so like from my side I had to cover up all the models. So I did my part, and again, if you like the work, so please don't forget to put the thumbs up and encourage me for doing some further like such work in the future as well. And and also I'm working on some further updates which I'll be updating within a week. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.